Hello, this is Edward Cranes, the Honey Badger Binder of BOOKFORGE, and this is a BOOKFORGE unboxing. So if this is the first time tuning into a BOOKFORGE unboxing, what we do is we will unbox materials and tools and other things that we bring in. And in the unboxing, I will be showing you what the item is. I'll be telling you where we got it and what we use it for. So this time we have a packet from Talas. So if you're not familiar with Talas, they are an art store and bookbinding supplier out of New York City. And in this case, I believe that this box contains some thin Hanji paper, which I need for paper repair. Looks like a dog toy to me. All right, here we go. And of course, the important documentation. Hanji, Series 3, 13 GSM. And my dog did get the dog toy. All right, so let's very gently cut the tape while my dog shreds the wrapper over there. Didn't cut quite the way I wanted it to. And here we are. So you can probably see this is a thin Hanji. Now they do make thinner, but this is a good weight for book paper repair. And I will use, oh, okay. Let's give you an idea. It really is thin. You can see me through the paper itself. So there's 2 sheets here. I typically like to order 10 sheets or more simply because it offsets the price of shipping. But in this particular case, I needed it ASAP. I didn't have the funds to order excessive amounts. So I got what I got. And so, like I said, what I use this for is mainly for paper repair. So if a page is torn or missing a section, I will use the Hanji paper, which is it's a mulberry paper with really long fibers. It's really strong, tear resistant, but it's super thin. And what we'll do is, and you'll see videos coming up in the next week of my doing paper repairs. I have a Bible from 1814 that I'm going to be doing an extensive paper repair on one of the sheets. And so we'll post videos on that in the coming weeks. So that'll be exciting. Hanji has other uses, but I use it for paper repair. All right, this has been a BOOKFORGE unboxing, and we just unboxed a couple sheets of Talas Hanji paper. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to keep this short and sweet. I hope you have a fantastical day. Thank you. And